Hey guys, another video here. I'm just gonna let you know I found something cool, but I don't have it on video. Well, I'm gonna show you guys later when I actually do it. But I figured out why the car's not starting. It was not the distributor. It was this. This is the plug for the neutral safety switch. Which the other piece, I don't know where it's supposed to be mounted or something, but it's not in the car. So I was gonna buy another one, but like I was getting confused because the ones I'm looking for on Facebook or eBay is, I don't know, some of these cars are automatic and manual transmission, but I don't know if it does matter if I get the same part. But what I did was, see these two prongs right there or whatever, these two connectors. If you just put like a wire and like try to start the car, the engine will turn. Like I barely got the engine to turn because I couldn't figure it out. Well, now I figured it out. All these, you know, the manual said it was probably that, and it was true. So yeah, I got some parts and like fluids over there. I'm gonna show you in a bit. Alright, so this is what I got so far. I already started doing it, completing the tail lights. I'm gonna show you another video because I know about the bulbs. But these are the bulbs. I mean, what kind they are if you're interested of replacing yours. These are the ones I'm using. They fit. Yep. This is for the side light or whatever. It's a little red dot over there. Red rectangle. This is where the light. Yeah, I'm finishing up that right now. I'm gonna give me bulb grease so I could like stop it from corroding. This is the thing I'm gonna use. So I know what I said about just splicing wires together. And, you know, I don't want it to like fuck up or mess up. So I think it would be a good idea to splice these wires on those two wires, and basically has a fuse on it. So basically, I'm trying to protect the car. I don't know if it do anything, but like I don't know. I just have a feeling like if it has those two wires spliced up the whole time, I don't know, something bad's gonna happen. So I think it's safe to have like a what is this called again? I guess an inline fuse holder or something. Basically, it holds the fuse, right? So basically, yeah, I think it was pretty cool to do. I just got this to put the fuse in. Then I got these buck connectors, the pack, and like the starting fluid just to like get this car started again. Maybe it'll turn on. I did try to turn on, but there was no fuel, so. Yeah, and then I got another coolant. Same thing, I just gotta clean it. So yeah. And I got coolant right there. I don't know how much coolant I'm gonna need. So I just bought 3. And I bought oil. Oh yeah, here's the radiator cap. I bought oil. All you need is 3.5 quarts. But fuck it, I just bought the 5 quarts. Last time on my other Corolla I used 5W30. I didn't mean to use that, but I only saw like an old video. Some other guy did the same thing. That's where I got the like idea from. I think he said since it's an old car, he used that thicker oil, I guess. I'm not an expert on these oils, but like this is the original oil, so I'm gonna use that, and then I got the filter. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do in the video. Yep, see if this fucking thing works. See if it fits. I'm pretty sure it will fit. It's made by the same brand. I did. Fits. Hell yeah. Alright. I have my original, not my original, but like the harness I bought that connects to the rest of the engine harness. Let's see if we could do this bypass. But I'm also gonna fix the oil pressure sender since it got ripped off like a month ago when I was messing with it. It was just so weak and brittle, it just tore off. And I got my other one right here. So I was thinking just getting a butt connector and you know, flexing it up and you know, connecting it. Oh guys, I suck at this, but I did it. See if it works. So if the fuse is blown, the red light will turn on. But all I care is if it's power. And then I did this. I don't know, man. Just practice, I guess. See if this works. Be right back. Alright, I have the battery plugged in. Connected the harness. See how this shit goes. Alright, it works. Now I gotta put fucking yeah, I guess I won't mess with it. Fuck this shit sound. Alright. Alright guys, now that there's spark, that's all that matters. Now I gotta do is you know, fluids. Okay guys, I'm just here to get some gas in my truck. It's already late. So I have a 4-day coming up. Like, I don't work through Friday through Monday. So yeah, it's a 4-day weekend for me. My plans, I'm just gonna, I know I said in the video I was gonna do fluids and clean. I didn't say in the video, but I'm also gonna clean the gas tank. So that's the plan. So put fluids, right? So change the oil, put new coolant in it, and I'm gonna try to, you know, take the gas tank to the pressure washer, and you know, the guy I bought it from Automotive Projects, he has his own YouTube channel. I hit him up. I said I put it down in his link below in the videos before. He has a cool video how to clean the gas tank, like really clean. So that's what I'm gonna do, and yeah, hopefully they could get this car like to start like every time, and you know, drivable. You know, I'm just happy that the car turned. Like, it's the first time it turned in a while, because the owner told me the car was sitting for years because of a bad starter. And then, so what I did is, obviously I bought the car, and yeah, it takes time. I put a new tail light harness, put new fucking seats in, I put carpet, put a new wiring harness. I even wired it some of the parts of myself, and new, I don't know, I just kind of feel proud of myself because I kind of failed on my last project. I just quit. But I got a good start here, and I don't think I'm gonna fail this time. Like, yeah, you know, I'm trying to man up, get this car fixed. You know, it's always been my dream car. I don't care if it's a 4AC. I could get a 4AGE swap anytime. I know prices will go up, but you know, I just want to enjoy the car. And then, I don't know, got 11 months left in the Army. I was trying to like get this car running and driving so I could drive it back home. That would be cool. So I don't have to, like, you know, get a trailer or anything. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna re-enlist in the Army because I think that would take away from my personal time. I don't know. The only personal time I got is like sometimes I work late. Sometimes I'm doing other stuff. Sometimes we're in the field. We're always doing maintenance on our tanks. And then how you call it? But yeah, there's a General Motors course here for well, now it's called Ford Colossus. And I'm gonna try to do the, you know, General Motors technician. Maybe I could learn more stuff. And like, I always been, my family was never about cars. Only my uncle. He has like 69 Camaro, 85 Blazer, a 62 Chevy Silverado or C10, whatever you call it, and a 69 Camaro. So that's like, I always like old muscle cars, but yeah, I just want to get into cars. But I never had time because I've been in the Army since out of high school. So it's been 3 years, so time to move on. You know, focus on. I'm still gonna go back to college, maybe be a teacher or something. I still got 2 years left. I got an associate's degree, so I just need 2 years left in my bachelor's. And then what else? But yeah, like I said, I just want to focus on getting the knowledge of cars. You know, some people learn it since they're little because their dads were mechanics, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll make another video in like next week or something. I am gonna do this stuff this weekend or something, but you know, it takes time for me to you know, edit these videos. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and more content coming soon.